Hi, today I'm going to talk about my new Facebook page called Easy Cooking Fast Eating. And what I'm doing and what I'm attempting to do is I'm going to start sharing videos on how to make some of these recipes. Also, I want to make this kind of a thing where people can learn to cook something a little different that they think is like high end. You got to go to like fancy schmancy restaurants to eat, and really it doesn't take very much to make it at home, and it tastes just as good as in the fancy restaurant. The only difference is you made it. Your family will dig it because you did it. And this is the whole idea. So, what I want to do today is I want to just tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Al Taragano, and I've worked at a local restaurant and casino in Las Vegas for a very long time. I was there for 13 years, and before that, I was at 11 years at another hotel casino. And that's all I've done for the last 24 years is cook. So I've learned some recipes, I've done some stuff, and now it's my opportunity to give back a little bit of what I learned. So if you'd like to join me on Facebook, or you can check out my YouTube page, A Taragano, on YouTube. Subscribe. I dig it. It'd be cool. And I could teach you a couple of things. I'll give you a good, for instance. I've done things like a bacon, lettuce, tomato salad where I took fresh pancetta and I chopped the pancetta really fine and I fried it up. And then I took the salad and I mixed cheddar cheese with fresh romaine, because romaine's a lot healthier than iceberg. Iceberg really has no vitamin value to it. So I used romaine, and I used some shredded cheddar cheese, and I used some ranch dressing, and then I took the pear tomatoes, teardrop tomatoes, and I sliced those in half, and I used that for my salad, and then I got some pita bread, and I cut that, and I cut the pita bread into like little, almost like pizza slices, but tiny, And then I took them and I laid them out on a sheet pan, and I covered them with some olive oil, and I sprinkled just a little bit of Parmesan cheese on there. Because olive oil, first of all, is a lot healthier for you than butter, even though I like butter. But I'm trying to make it a little bit healthier. So I took the olive oil, I spread that on there, and then I sprinkled Parmesan cheese over the top, and made a beautiful Parmesan crouton out of pita bread, okay, which is also much better for you than a regular bread. Then what I did was I set it all around the bowl, and I decorated the bowl all the way around. Turns out really pretty, really nice, great presentation. Everybody goes nuts because now you got a BLT salad that has a high end. You could use regular bacon. I like to use the pancetta because it's a little bit higher end. It's an Italian bacon. And being Italian, I kind of like Italian stuff. So, anyway, that's my take on it. If you like it, try it. If you don't, what am I going to do? I'm going to get mad? Have a great day.